Hey guys, it's arboricola time again. In the background is my Soehrensia arboricola, also called Trichocereus arboricola. It's a very interesting species that grows more like a hanging basket cactus. And yeah, let's have a look. Check out how amazing these flowers are. Very beautiful flowers, similar to Trichocereus telegonus flowers. Let's have a look at the tube. You have these triangular scales with black hair, black and a little bit of white. And this is the plant in total. I got this mother plant, I don't know, 2010, 2008, something like that. And it's been growing like crazy. Last year I had more than 20 flowers open at the same time. Like simultaneously, all flowering. This plant is incredibly fertile. I had to move it into the furthest part of the garden, so it cannot pollinate other plants, which has happened in the past. When this one opens in the greenhouse, the whole greenhouse smells like pollen, and so I moved it away a little bit. Flowers are amazing, I like them, but they're a little bit smallish, you see my hand here. Smaller than the flowers of Trichocereus telegonus, but still a very cool plant, and the strength of this plant, of this species, lies in the flowering. Like, there's so many flowers coming out at once, and that's just a great thing. This plant looks amazing when it's opening up with so many flowers, and I've seen a lot of hybrids with it, and don't get me wrong, the flowers are not amazing, but the plant looks amazing, like in the totality with all the flowers. There's some beautiful flowers that are too small compared to most modern hybrids, for example. But I mean, if you see one of these plants full of flowers, you are just amazed. This is a cool plant. Every year I tell you guys, get one of those because they blow you away. It's a little nice surprise that I had. I did not expect to like this plant so much, but I did. Here's a tip. This was originally a flower bud at the top, and it's kind of messed up the growth. But since this plant is flowering so heavily, I don't care. It has now started to pop from the base, and I will keep this plant until I stop breeding, like until I give away my plants or fall over in the greenhouse, simply because this is great. I like this, and I will pollinate them. One of them will get Asterix, a Lobivia multi-hybrid, which surprisingly has been able to pollinate these flowers. So if you have an Asterix, try it out. So far I've had like 1 or 2 crosses that worked. And the other one will get Trichocereus purpureo pilosus, just to try it out if the pollen matches. And again, this is a species, very unique type of plant, very unlike other plants that were previously in the genus Trichocereus. More like a hanging basket plant. And I'm sure the genetic profile is somewhat interesting. I would love to see more DNA testing done with it, and I hope I will see that at some point. Alright guys, I will collect a little bit of pollen, but not much, because the way this plant flowers, there's always fresh pollen. And and then I will move it far away again. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. You can support the channel, give me a thumbs up or some stuff, because it helps me to rank in a huge sea of other videos. And you can get seeds at trichocereus.net. I have seeds of this one sometimes. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. Bye.